Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can clean the filters on your Amazon Basic Vacuum Cleaner. So we are unplugged from the mains at the moment. We've got a filter here at the back and we have a filter in here. We're going to start with this one. So we're going to take out the bin here and we're going to lift this bit up and back. And this is the filter here. So we're going to lift it out and we're going to tap this over a bin to get rid of most of the dust. Then when you've done that, you can take the filter out and you can wash this under some warm running water. You can do this one as well. And then allow it to dry for around about 24 hours. Make sure it's fully dry before it goes back into the machine. Also, if you're replacing the filter, again, you just get your new one and you're going to place it in this way down so you can see inside first. So place it in like so. And then this gets put back in here when it's fully dry. It doesn't matter where this part is, it fits all the way around. Now when it comes to this bit here, while you're here you might as well clean this. So pull this bit out and you can separate the two halves by going counterclockwise. So twisting at the top and then pulling them outwards. And you can clean this with a nice damp cloth. Clean it there and all around here. And then to put it back together, put the two halves together and then just rotate it until it falls into place, like so, and then rotate it a little bit more until it clicks, like that. And then place this back in. Again, it doesn't matter where it goes as long as it's in, like that. And then close the lid. And that's that bit done there. Now the motor filter at the back here, it's nice and straightforward. We squeeze in here and we lift out. And then we go down from the top and pull out towards you. And this is it here. And we can run this under some warm water. Tap it over a bin first to get rid of most of the dust. And then run it, warm water through it. And then you have to allow it to fully dry. Again, after 24 hours, it should be dry. Don't leave it in direct sunlight. And then to put it back in, the tabs go at the bottom. This bit is out towards the back. So it goes in like so, clicks into place, like so. And on this one, the tabs goes on the left-hand side. And then it just clicks in like so. And that's it. That's how to clean the filters on your Amazon Basic Vacuum Cleaner. Thanks for watching.